Hello, I am Chef Brandon. I am a Tupperware chef. I am going to be making my famous pasta, macaroni and cheese, but in the pasta cooker. Now there's two different kinds of pasta cookers. There's the bigger one and the smaller one. I'm going to be using this, the smaller one. This one can hold up to 6 servings of pasta and a pound of spaghetti. So, you take your lid off, but I don't have macaroni and cheese. I've only got corkscrew pasta. I call it corkscrew pasta because it looks like a corkscrew. So, what you need to do is take your mixing store pitcher and put the water in. I'm only going to do 2 servings. So, I'm only going to fill it up to the 2 serving line. So, and that's good. Alright, now you're going to put your pasta in there. Whoa. Okay, that's a little too much. I might need a little bit more water in here. I ended up with not 2 servings. I ended up with 4 servings, but that's okay. So, now, I've got 4 servings of pasta in here. So what I'm going to do, I still need to cover that, so I'll just put the rest in. So now, I'm going to put the lid on. Surprisingly, this boils in the microwave. So you take your trusty old microwave. So some microwaves are different, but mine, I found out that I have to put it in here and do it for 15 minutes. So I put it in there for 15 minutes. So next time we get together, I'm going to show you how you put the rest of it together. Thank you for watching.